Alright guys, so in this video I want to go over how to solve some equations. Sometimes some funny stuff happens, right? And we usually can break it down into three cases. The first case is when the equation has just one solution, and this is what we're normally used to seeing. It looks something like this. So I'm going to look to see if I need to distribute. I'm going to put all my secret ones there. Then I'm going to start distributing. I can bring this 2x and this 10 down, and this negative 1 I'll distribute into the parentheses. So negative 1 times 1 is negative 1x. Then negative 1 times 3 is just negative 3. We bring down our negative 3x on negative 9. And now I'm going to try to combine like terms. So I look at the left-hand side, I see a 2x, a negative x, and then the constants 10 and negative 3. So we can combine the variables with our variables. So 2x and x, that's the same thing as we're saying 2 minus 1 is 1. So I have x. And then 10 minus 3, I can do that in my head, is 7. Is equal to negative 3x minus 9 on the right-hand side. You can see that these do not combine. They're different. So we have negative 3x minus 9. So we've combined like terms. Now we try to see if there's variables on both sides. There is. We have an x and a negative 3x. So we're going to pick on the little guy. We're going to pick on this negative 3 because it's smaller than 1. So I'm going to add 3x to both sides. And we end up with 4x minus 7 is equal to negative 9. We box our variable. Add 7 to both sides. Cancels out. Negative 9 plus 7 is equal to negative 2. So we have 4x is equal to negative 2. And then we just divide by the number in front. So we bisect our variable. Now we're going to divide by the number in front, which is 4. And we end up with x is equal to negative 2 divided by 4, negative 0.5. Or if you're in the calc, you have the calculator, be negative 1/2. Okay, so this is our solution. And there's only one solution here. So what this means is only one x value is going to work for this equation. It's not an inequality, only one answer works, and that answer is negative 1/2. So that's why we call it one solution.